This is the TCL Alto 9 Plus with Ray-DANZ technology. It's an impressive soundbar with Dolby Atmos support, and it's what you see right there. You don't have to put any satellites in, cut any holes. There's a subwoofer down here that really fills up this room. And what's special about this, in addition to not needing to put any satellites or anything in your house, is the design here is going to send the sound out and bounce it off the walls to get a really immersive experience without the need to place those satellites or without the need to have a perfectly designed living room that's a rectangle. So I love good audio. We watch most of our TV and content in our living room, but it's an open floor plan, and it's not that great for putting satellite speakers or anything like that in. With this, you get a really beautiful design. There's some cloth here and just a beautiful industrial design throughout, and the sound is really good. As I walk around this room here, I'm getting really impressive sound throughout this room just from the soundbar and the subwoofer. Now, pricing on this isn't totally official yet, but I've heard that it's going to be around $399 here in the US, and that's pretty impressive for a Dolby Atmos speaker. The ability of this to fill this room is really impressive, so definitely looking forward to hearing how this sounds in a house like ours where not everything is perfect. So something else that's really cool is this is Roku Ready, so when it's plugged into a TV like this one from TCL, you're going to get to see all of your options up on screen, so you can make those adjustments without just relying on a soundbar remote that might have no menu to see, some flashing lights. This gives you total control, and you can quickly toggle through different modes much easier than you could on a lot of budget soundbars. And with this, you also get a Roku remote, so you're going to get that familiar experience with your favorite buttons, your controls, and everything right there. So it's a really cool, really value-packed soundbar, and it's something that we're definitely looking forward to checking out closer. If you found this video useful, you can check out a link down in the description where you can learn more about this. And if you're interested in soundbars, let us know what kind of setup you're looking to rock in 2020.